Greetings everyone, I'm Georgie and today I'm going to unbox the Panasonic Eneloop AAA rechargeable batteries. Without further ado, let's get started. On the top left corner I can see the Panasonic brand name. Then in the middle there is the Eneloop name. And on the top right corner I see one of the advertised features. Recharge up to 2100 times. On the left side, a couple of icons indicate some devices these batteries are suitable for: decked phones, game controllers, remote controls, clocks. And the last icon indicates that the capacity of the batteries is 750 mAh. On the right side, some features are listed. Apparently, after 10 years, these batteries can maintain up to 70% of their initial charge capacity. Next is the sustainable lifestyle feature. Using rechargeable batteries is considered to be environment friendly, but also friendly to my wallet. And the last icon informs us that these are full cells of AAA batteries. The package also states that these rechargeable batteries come pre-charged and can be used right away. Now let's take a look at the backside of the battery package. On the top left corner we see the Panasonic brand name again. Below it there are some specifications of the batteries such as size, voltage and cell count. On the top right corner, more details such as battery type, model number, capacity and some other details can be found. Going further down, there are the four main features of the batteries listed in order. Lower self-discharge, remember the thingy with the 70%, economical and eco-friendly, rechargeable up to 2100 times, recharged with solar energy, suitable for low temperature conditions. Further down there is some more information as well as some important safety and warning notices and our instructions. Now let's finally open the battery pack and inspect its contents. Opening this package is not super easy, but nevertheless, due to my extraordinary skillfulness, I've succeeded with this complex task somehow it seems. The package is fairly simple and contains just the batteries. There are exactly 4 pieces, which is convenient. There is no paperwork, but some important information can be found on the backside of the package. These Panasonic Eneloop batteries look very sleek with that white sleeve and the metallic blue Eneloop writing on them. The batteries that I got were made in Japan and have the model number BK-4MCCE/4BE. There is information circulating on the internet that there is a variation of these batteries made in China. I personally prefer them to be made in Japan, so I am glad that I got lucky. I use those batteries primarily for my Logitech K380 wireless keyboard. I pre-charged Eneloops, put them into my cabinet, and whenever the batteries of my keyboard get empty, I just pull the pre-charge and ready to use batteries out and my keyboard is good to go in no time. And I must say that this worked flawlessly, even when the batteries were in that cabinet for a couple of months. For my needs, the capacity of these batteries is absolutely sufficient. I have bought some of these 3 years ago and I am using them since on a regular basis.